You may get money by just listening to music and then typing exactly what you hear onto a website. All you have to do is type it word for word. Earning money on the internet has never been easier than this method. If you watch the entire video and carefully follow the steps that are provided, you will be able to make $75 per hour. To start earning money, all you need to do is get your phone or computer, find a place with some peace and quiet, and then start listening. After that, put it into writing. Now that we've established that, allow me to walk you through the website where you can sign up to make money each and every day.
We teach you to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
SoundCloud.com is the first place you should go for music. As the world's most popular music and audio platform, SoundCloud enables its users to discover and listen to music from a wide range of talented musicians. After all, it's not just about the ability to trade and contact directly with artists. It's also about the unique content and features, such as the potential to discover new music and raw recordings. SoundCloud can be used by artists as access to worldwide audience, monetize their work, and receive valuable feedback from the SoundCloud community. SoundCloud is a free service that anyone can use. You don't have to pay anything to use this website. Clearly, there is a large range of new popular songs out there for you to choose from. In addition, all of the music that's out there right now can be found in a number of different language versions. The most convenient feature of SoundCloud is the option to download it in your smartphone. This app is accessible on both Android and iPhone, so it doesn't matter which device you use. It's easy as browsing your Google Play and Apple App Store to download the app. Just make sure the SoundCloud app you're downloading has this logo to confirm that it is a verified app that we will be using. When you're finished, the app will allow you to browse through and play a range of music genres for your listening pleasure. I want you to scroll down the website until you find this Explore Trending Playlist button right here. And after you click on it, you will see the playlists that are currently popular at the moment. And each of them is arranged according to categories. I want you to look for playlists that you are interested in listening to. And you can use your favorite music genre to choose a playlist. If you found one, you simply need to click on it and you will be brought to this page. As you can see, all the songs included on your playlist are all in the same style. Now, if you want to listen to music on your chosen playlist, you may do so by clicking on this play button right here. And you can listen to all of the music on your computer or smartphone anytime. Now that you are aware of how to search for music using SoundCloud, I'd like to direct your attention to a fresh website that you should check out, and that's called azlyrics.com. Here you'll find a variety of song lyrics from a wide range of music. For example, if you're looking for the lyrics to the song Dynamite by BTS, you can just enter the name of the artist or the title of the song here, and then select a song from a drop-down menu that appears. You will then be brought to this page where you will have the option to just listen to the music while words are displayed on your screen. You may get the lyrics to any songs that you want to learn right here on this website, even tracks from the SoundCloud platform. You'll be able to read all of the lyrics by clicking here. It is a fantastic opportunity for you to learn new songs by listening to them and writing down the lyrics. Because of this, it is possible for you to easily make some money on a consistent basis by transcribing a fairly simple song like this one, which typically lasts between 2 and 4 minutes. Now, you might be curious about the websites that you will utilize to transcribe the audio. Keep watching the video because I'm going to show you 3 different websites where you can get started transcribing music in a moment. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. You can access this first website to listen to music and make money by simply transcribing the music into lyrics. GoTranscript.com is the name of this website. GoTranscript is a well-known transcription service that caters to customers all around the world by providing transcription services of the highest possible quality. Through the use of this website, you're able to listen to music while also having the opportunity to make money by merely transcribing the music into lyrics. I would like for you to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page and search for Work button. According to this page, GoTranscript pays competitive rates for online transcription jobs. You can expect to be compensated in the amount of 60 cents for each and every minute of audio or video that you create. To give you an illustration, if you listen to and transcribe a normal song that is 3 minutes long, you can earn $1.80 for your time. With GoTranscript, you can get access to a wide range of advantages. One of the numerous perks of this job is the freedom to work from wherever you want, whenever you want, with no restrictions. On a daily basis, they also post new transcription projects. A constant need for something to do means you'll have plenty of options for what you'd rather be doing instead. Another benefit of this website is the opportunity to learn from the rest of the team and the regular feedback that you will receive. After that, you'll paid via PayPal every week for all of the work that you have done. Simply click this Apply Now button and you'll be earning money in no time. This link will take you to a page where you can create a free account. You can register by providing your email address and a password, and by using your Google or Facebook account. The final step is to click the Sign Up button, and you're now able to use the GoTranscript service as easy as that.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, I'll introduce to you Transcribe, a second transcribing service that you can use. I'd like you to visit transcribe.com, and with this free online program, transcription will be a breeze. If you click on this blue button right here, you can begin transcribing immediately. To get started, all you need is a link to a song that you've already downloaded. I'd like you to return to SoundCloud, and then you will see the share button. Click on it so that you may download it. It will bring a pop-up window with the music track's URL, and then by copying and pasting this URL into your browser, you will now be able to download the song. In the second step, things are simple. This button is all you need to send in the music file you just downloaded. As a result of the previous step, you will be able to utilize the software to automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack. So this is the third and the final transcribing service that I'll be introducing to you, and it's called Rev. Now I want you to type rev.com into your browser search box. Rev is a marketplace for certified freelancers, connects customers looking for fast, low-cost assistance with competent freelancers. Automatic voice recognition, AI, is combined with the world's largest network of freelance speech-to-text translators, which has 60,000 members and is growing daily. Since this website is used by content providers and meeting organizers, audio and video recording are transcribed or converted into text. You can choose from 3 different job categories: transcription, caption, or foreign subtitles. Transcribe the music here into lyrics, and you'll get paid for every minute of audio time that you spend doing it. For every minute you spend listening to music and transcribing the lyrics, you'll get paid $1.50. Typically, the length of a song is 3.5 minutes. And for each song, you may anticipate to earn $4.50 in revenue. Now, I need you to scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the link that says Freelancers Working Hours. Working as a freelancer allows you the freedom to work when and how much you want. Additionally, you can select from a wide range of options. You'll also be paid via PayPal every week as soon as the tasks are accomplished. It is incredible that you are able to exercise complete command over everything, while at the same time you are making money online while sitting in the coziness of your own house. When you navigate down the website, you'll find that it shows the alternatives, transcriptionist and captioner. This will send you to this page where you can browse the rest of the website for additional information. After that, you can sign up to work for a transcription service and get approved to start. To get started, just put your first and last name, email address, and the country in the following fields. Now, people from all over the world are welcome, no matter where they are from, and this means that you can take advantage of this chance no matter where you are when you read this. I'll give you one more bonus tip that will help you make more money at rev.com. The average income for a transcription job is $1.50 per minute, but foreign subtitles pay anywhere from $3 and $7 per minute, which can be sure that these are very good wages. And here are some examples of what I can show you. Let's go back to soundcloud.com for a minute. You can listen to many different kinds of music and foreign languages here. Because it's hard to get music from different languages into English, they are paying you more. This brings us to the next website, dpl.com, which is a free and easy to use online translator. You can use this tool to translate lyrics to English from another language. Like German music sung in English, you can also translate English music into another language, like French, German, or any other languages. This is possible, and you can sign up for all of the platforms I have mentioned.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.